Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fudge brownies at home easy method. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F, grease an 8x 8-inch pan, and line it with parchment paper. Melt butter and chocolate together, stirring until glossy and smooth. Whisk sugar into the warm mixture, then beat in eggs and vanilla until combined. Fold in sifted flour and cocoa gently to keep batter dense and fudgy, not cakey. Start by melting butter and chocolate together on low heat to avoid burning. Stir constantly for a silky base. Remove from heat, then whisk in sugar so it dissolves evenly. Add eggs one at a time, beating until the batter looks cohesive and shiny. Gently fold in flour and cocoa without overworking the batter to preserve a dense, fudgy crumb. Pour into prepared pan and smooth the top with a spatula. If you're finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. I spotted a book that can truly change how you think about money, titled The Simple Path to Wealth, and it felt worth mentioning here. If you're curious, check the description for the link and other deals related to the book and kitchen gear. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Bake the pan at 350 degrees F for roughly 20 to 25 minutes. The center should have moist crumbs on a toothpick rather than wet batter. Let the brownies cool fully in the pan. This step firms the texture and makes slicing neater. For glossy, clean cuts, warm a sharp knife under hot water and wipe between slices. Serve room temperature or slightly warmed with a sprinkle of flaky salt for contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.